प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली एवरीवन। मुझे रसायनों में नहला दिया जाता है, मुझे रसायनों में नहला दिया जाता है, झूठे वादे में बहला दिया जाता है। अक्सर हार जाता हूँ उनके एक ही दावे में, अक्सर हार जाता हूँ उसके एक ही दावे में। मैं भारत हूँ, मैं भारत हूँ, मैं बसता हूँ गाँव में। So hello everyone, a very peaceful good morning to all of you. This side Tajuddin Raza in front of you, and today I got a very crucial topic, which is none other than rural areas versus urban areas. So without any delay, I would like to come on my point. So today I'm in a strongly favor in rural areas because I am a Desi boy.
What is the uses of this bottle? Anyone can say? To drink water. People use this bottle for drinking, but people who live in village, they take this bottle and go washroom. So is that your culture?
I think there is a one guy named Sujit. Take this bottle and give an example that villagers went to the washroom from this bottle. May I ask you a question, Sujit? Which one is more harmful, your waste or this bottle?
If I am doing something and if I know it will not be good for me as well as our environment, it will not be considered as mistake. It will be a work that you are doing intentionally. Nowadays, we are taking intoxicant substance as well as pesticides foods. And I think I don't need to express that how much it harms our body. So that's why villages are far better than us. Although it's a reality, it's incredulous for us, yet you have to believe it. It's a reality. They are far better than us in terms of physical fitness. We have to go to gym. Why? To be fit, but they don't need to go to gym because they are hard worker. We procrastinate our work, but they do not
Vehicles are
procrastinate.
running on the road, which is creating pollution in daily life and directly harming the environment, and which is in chain in affecting the human population, now having a lot of disease because of the pollution. And now the concern is that due to the high pollution generated by the urban people, now the climate has increased. The climate change is the serious and the thing of concern right now in today's
I
life.
know that in cities there are a lot of cases of pollution, but you can also see the villagers, people, that they are deteriorating the environment by using the firewood. In each and every houses in villages, you can see that how much amount of firewoods are like burning. Also coal. Apart from these things, I want to highlight that. Like there are basic parameters of the development of any nation. Like the very first one is infrastructure, transportation, communication, education, medical facility, which are totally available in city. Okay, and I believe that a development of a nation is totally depend upon the development of a person or individual. If a individual is developed, ultimately it leads to the development of a nation. Okay.
Villager doesn't mean the farmer. Villager means gold medalist Neeraj Chopra. Villager means wrestler who is continuously winning the medals in the Paris Olympic and the various Olympics. So I want to clear that villagers doesn't mean a farmer. So I want to I want many people talking about those pollutions, but they forget every city has a garbage mountain, and they're talking. Let's take example of Delhi's garbage mountain, which is much taller than the Taj Mahal, but they are not talking about the
Going too far, just our neighbor Bihar. In Bihar, there is a village named Patwa Toli. In Patwa Toli, in every house there is an IITN. What are you saying about that village? In that village, in every house there is an IITN. This is your statement, and for your kind information, okay, let it be. The statement is from your group. So first of all, if that person don't work whole day in the land, then definitely you sleep hungry at the night. Okay.
I want to say that in Patna, in my house, there is a 4 IT who is to take their education in a higher education from Delhi or in Patna also. You said that those people live in village, but maybe they'll come Patna and they take their education. for a appear to IIT exam. You don't know. And we always say that there is no good roadway and there is no good education. And how can you say that there is a good education? And my point is that all of my opponent party, everything has some minus and plus point. We have to accept that we are not an animal, that we live in a village and we whole day working in a field and then after we take a sleep. Just because in a village there is a peace, there is a good environment, there is a no pollution. So, apart from that, in a city, there is a lots of problem. There is a pollution problem. There is a many problem, a sound problem. There is a traffic problem, rest problem. But even that, we have to get something. Why we are here? Why our parents come here to achieve something, to improve our career, to improve our life.
What ultimate purpose of our life is to be happy and satisfied with our aim. But in cities, we see there are lots of old age home. They are not just taking care of their parents in future. So it doesn't make any sense that you are getting educated, but you are not taking care of your parents.
Maybe you don't believe, and it is a real incident. And there is a village, Habre Bazar, and it is located in Maharashtra. So someone, my opponent, said that we can't change the village, but only one person whose name is Popat Rao Panwar, he changed all the villages, and you can't believe the 50 most million and billion belongs to that village, and it is located in Maharashtra, brother. Only 1%. Firstly, he think about yourself, and he said that I will change village. And firstly, he fought in panchayat election, and he changed the whole villages.
Like a love they are giving you. So how you can say that, bro? Or if I talk about the universities, you can't say that. That's why the many peoples are going in the urban areas. They are doing for higher education, like the MBA and the BBA and the many courses are doing. They are getting high packages like 15 lakh, 18 lakh and the 90 lakhs. But in your rural areas, what's happening? There is no development and no any jobs are available there. Do you know, guys, bullet card? Yeah, so casually they are dependent on that types. Why they are using the urban luxurious life? They are using bikes. Where is come from? By the urban area. They can use go for the Ranchi by the bullock carts. It's good for them. Oh my God! How we can say that doctors who are visiting more and more because we need it, bro. Just like I can say, if I will diseases because I live in the urban areas, like the luxurious life we are living in this time. So as I can say, if I will something in diseases in my mind, in my body, I can go. Another doctors in there are best facilities hospital available in here in the urban areas, not in your village. As answer beside the rural areas, that is they are dependent on some of the speakers said as fever. Oh my God, fever. That's the point. Oh my God. So sir, firstly I want to say of them, just like the fever. Suppose we have a fever, where we go? Doctors here, of course. And sir, where they go? Just like the superstitious, like the Baba persons, some of the villagers.
Don't do the crime by the name of the unity, okay? And so you know what that, guys, that through this statement we can also clarify or we can also conclude that the villager gets easily influenced by anyone. That is the good as well as the bad work. But if you will take the example of the urban area, they will not easily get the influence. They will first research about that things, then he will or she will or they will take the action. And about the Tajuddin, okay, he also says about the food. I think that just gave the example that also food is creating more disease. And what is the main cause? The villagers taking very highly chemical based pesticides and pesticides as well as the fertilizer, and they doing the same things. And he also says one statement that, bro, we are living in the 21st century, not in 19th century. So, dude, we are also living. And for these things, what the differentiation between what is the main things that is the 19th century or the 21st century? That is the infrastructure development. Okay, that occurs in the 21st century.